Well, you can see from behind me that the members of the public servants, they came here in large numbers. Despite the inclement weather conditions, they have stated categorically clear with their placards to say no to 3%, and they're saying that they want anything that is in relation to inflation. I'm just going to move outside from the shot so that my colleague can show you the public servants who are marching on their way to the provincial treasury office, where they are going to emphasize their standpoint to say no to 3%. And you can see that even here the traffic is diverted. They are slowly moving on this particular route, and they are not being disturbed about the weather conditions. It's drizzling, but they are patient enough. They are vociferous in terms of their voice to say they need a decent wage. They need decent wages, and you can see from some of the different placards that they are waving here. So we'll see as we are moving from here to the provincial treasury what sort of message they will be forwarding to the leadership, because it looks like there will be other discussions with the national leadership to consider whatever that is on the agenda to improve if there's any chances of them improving the wage offer. But the workers are making it abundantly clear to say they are against the 3%. So that is the current situation, as you see here with the members of the NOSA and other members of other public servant organizations. That is the situation here. And that is what is happening currently here.
Well, it seems like workers in the Free State having come out to strike, even as they see rain in that province. They've gone out nonetheless, and they've downed tools. Talk to me a little bit, Ishmael, about whether or not we're seeing interruptions to public services today. Because the reality is, while we do have this big protest and march and strike by public service workers, we do also have service delivery challenges in the country. So how have services been interrupted by this strike in the Free State?
Well, in the Free State for now, we have spoken to the Department of Health. They're saying, well, in the morning, they haven't seen any changes. Everything was okay. But from there, we are quickly going to check at other relevant public servants, public services, your hospital, to see if whether this strike had any impact on service delivery. But with regard to education, when we spoke to them yesterday, that is COSATU, and including the education department, they made it abundantly clear that the teachers will be taking part in, will be going to work, because the matric pupils are writing exams. So they've told us yesterday that there isn't going to be any disturbance with that regard. But other government departments, your health department, your home affairs, that's where we're going to check to see if whether this particular strike has any impact. Because as you can see from this group, this is the second group of the marchers. There's another group that is behind. They are moving in patches, and that shows you that there is somehow an increased number of public servants who are taking part in this strike as compared to the 1st of November when they were taking part in the strike. So there is impact. The public servants positively to particular strike, but like I said, we are going to move and check those public servants to see whether there is any impact in terms of service delivery, if there's any impact, if there was a shortage of people that require any help, be it at the hospitals or home affairs. But for now, with the schools, everything is going as planned. There is schooling as normal, because we know that the matrics are writing their exams.
Yeah, I'm seeing a police van there in those visuals, Ishmael, and I think that as we see these nationwide strikes and the massive numbers, considering as well the amount of workers that we are expecting to be seeing on the streets today countrywide, a significant number indeed. Talk to me about what we're seeing in terms of the security detail, because while these workers would exercise their right to protest and to strike and to march, one would want that to be a situation that remains stable. So talk to me about the law enforcement and security detail that you see surrounding this march.
Well, the police are here in large numbers and as well as the traffic officials, just to ensure that there is a smooth flowing of traffic, because normally when there is a march, they give them a particular lane on the road. So just to ensure that there isn't the disturbance with regard to the free flow of traffic. But where we are, there is congestion, but mainly the police, your public order policing, they are just mainly here to ensure that there is a free flow and that the marchers or the strike is going according to the agreed plan as they apply, to say these are the particular route that you are going to use and that there won't be any diversion, so that traffic is not disturbed. So that is the situation. They are just monitoring to see if there is observance with regard to the application of the march, and that is the situation. And as you can see, that it's raining, but they are proceeding slowly, patiently to the Provincial Department of Treasury here in Bloemfontein.